Alright. Yeet. Alright, testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, fuck that. Fuck that. That's straight up just fucking... Nah. Alright, we gotta do Video Game Study Lounge, because it doesn't have a bunch of ads. That's highly unfortunate. I have YouTube Red on my main. This is obnoxious.
At the doctor's office, you get the care
God.
for you, but insurers and their PBMs, they decide if you'll get your medicines and what they'll cost.
Fuck ads.
So you wind up
Catch me having ads on my videos. Fuck that. Alright. I'll remove Poke Tape from the description there. That's not necessary anymore. Okay, so, okay. Yep. Yeah, this is good. Alright. Yeah. This'll do. Alright, we're in. How's it going, chat? Everyone doing okay today? I'm gonna make sure to... There we go. So, today, as stated in the, whatchamacallit. Come on, chat, whatchamacallit. Title, right. As stated in the title, we're going to be working on Kirby's dash attack. So, I'm going to delete that. And remake that. It's good to have a copy of stuff, just in case something goes wrong. So we got Fighter Builder. And we're gonna open that up. Right, I completely forgot to do something. I entirely forgot to open up Visual Studio. That's the thing that's gonna... Hello, Akira. Asking what this is. This is a dev stream for a new Smash fan game that I'm making. It's called SSBE. There's an incomplete demo called version 0.1.1. The link to that is in the description. I highly recommend you go check it out. So, let's see. Today we're adding dash attack, including Kirby's dash attack. Stay hydrated. Sorry you're not seeing anything right now. Normally I use my other monitor for programming, so by default Visual Studio tends to boot on it. And that's what's happening right now. So loading the project file. It's taking sweet time. Yeah, there'll be a menu and a character select screen, but there isn't yet. It's gonna take a little minute. Game development takes time, and currently I'm focusing on the core gameplay and the selling point. Well, selling point. This is free, obviously, but that being the fighter builder. So the cool part about the fighter builder is that here I'm gonna go ahead and open Kirby.ftr, and once that loads in, you'll see that you can actually create fighters from scratch using it. And I added a cool new feature. Edit, undo, redo. That's right, we can finally undo our mistakes. This is much needed. But yeah, it's in development. Our engine has finally loaded in Visual Studio, so we got that going for us. Do I have any unnecessary applications open? Doesn't look like it. Ugh, fuck off, OneDrive. I wish Windows wouldn't, like, bundle OneDrive and all that fucking Windows shit with itself. It's annoying. So, let's see. Right. We're gonna want a new active state check for dash attack. And I think we're gonna want it after up tilt and down tilt. That way it'll only process if the player's not holding up or down. Yeah. Alright. we'll do the logic the same as F-tilt, but just for if the state is a dashing state. Here, we'll call that bool dashing equals state. Do I have a dashing function, actually? Oh shit, I do. It's not running. So for dash, run, and run turn, that's gonna return false, and otherwise it'll return to true. So that's nice. I appreciate that. So here we go. We want to scroll down to our active state checks. Wait, we're in them. Here we go. DA. And not running. All right. And controls dot held dash. Wait a minute, actually. Here, I got an idea. So either you're in the dash state or controls dot held dash. There we go. So that way you can buffer dash attacks. It'll be nice, quality of life. And we'll do the inverse of this for F-tilt. And not running and not that. See, but ands are less efficient than ors, I feel like. Wait, no, not in this context. Okay. We got that. That's good. Cool. So we'll go ahead and we'll test this. By the way, let me know if my audio's good. If the music should be louder or something. Hello, Nintendo Lover 98. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Alright. We got F tilt, up tilt, down tilt, and right, forgot. Okay. No. Attacking. There we go. Fighter state. Fucking state dot dash attack. True. There we go. god, my computer is lagging a good bit. It is not pretty right now. But we'll run it again. We'll see if this cooperates with us. Nope, that's not cooperating. Dang it. What am I missing? Oh. I'm a fool. I made it send to dash, not dash attack. Might be. Dash attack. There we go. We'll try this one more time. I'm good, Nintendo lover. How are you? Ooh. Taking a while there, game? Cold booting it. It doesn't like being cold booted. Yep, there we go. That's dash attack. Alright, so this is good. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and start working on the implementation. So I believe we want to go over to Fighters, Kirby. You'll have to pardon my mouse's shakiness. I got a pair of Mega Busters on. Alright, images, dash attack. Yeesh. I'm sorry, Windows, but like, you gotta speed up. Pretty please. Here's the sprite rip. Ah, shit. We forget which frame is for dash attack. We gotta open it up. We're gonna open up Kirby's SF29B DAT in JPEX. That's stat 15. Yeet. Yeah, this game is actually so it's open source. It's licensed under an open source license, but at the same time, the source code is on my Patreon. So take that as you will. It's open source. It's just the source is locked. I feel like it's reasonable. Yeah, that's dash attack. And that's from yep. 753 through 68. Alright. So we can go ahead and in our sprite rip section. Wait a minute, that's not right. We go there, and 750. here we go. So we'll cut those and then paste them into dash attack. Lovely. So now we can go ahead, close JPEGs. We no longer need it. So I can't say what this game will or won't feature. Nah, fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'ma say what this game will or won't feature. This game will feature items. I don't know about smash attacks. I haven't figured that out yet. But it will eventually feature items. Because what's casual single-player play without items, am I right? Plus, like, items are central to a few characters' kits. It needs to feature items. It can't not feature items. Items are central to Super Smash Bros. It's gotta feature items. As for Final Smashes, hopefully. So let's pull up AREN, Advanced Renamer. We'll drag the files in there and rename them in a batch. But yeah, I feel like it would be a disservice to Smash Bros. If it didn't include items. Here we go. DA. And we'll drag those in there. Alright, cool. So now we just gotta drag those in there, and now the images, of course, are imported in here. See? We see them in our previewer. Alright, so what's dash? Where's there it is. Let me look up the Brawl frame data. Kirby Brawl frame data. Shoot. Okay, so here's the, like, hitboxes. I got them pulled up on my other thingy. No, this is melee. This is... God damn it. Dash attack, dash attack, dash attack. Oh, damn. 12 frames of startup. You know what? Let's probably, like, lower that, and then we can balance it as we go. Hey, Silverbeam! Welcome to the stream! What do you mean they released a new Sonic Forces song? I'm confused. You're gonna have to elaborate on that for me. So, let's see. I believe we could get, like, 8 frames of startup. 2, 3... I did not intend for that. Fuck. I'm gonna remove that layer. So, 1, 2... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4... Whatever, there are gonna be 8 frames there. Alright, I can see this move in my head. Cool. Alright. Let's give it, like, roughly, I wanna say 32 frames to start with. Silver, my guy, you can't just drop that they released a new Sonic Forces song and then, like, not elaborate. That's not allowed. That's not cool. I don't appreciate that, you bastard. Alright. So we got dash attack 1. And we're gonna, like, frame it like he's hoisting himself up by his hand, even as early as frame 1. There we go. Five. Alright, that's good. We'll insert a keyframe there, and dash attack 2. You know what? Actually, we can, like, trim a few keyframes. So we'll go ahead and remove those frames, trim that. There we go, frame 9. And that'll be frame, like, the actual, like, frame 1. Oh, beautiful, it's centered. Oh my god, that's... Yes, save me that time. Silver, I'm going to murder you in your sleep. Okay. Yoink. Yeet. Okay, so... Yeah, we got like 6 frames to work with. Yeah, we'll make this work. Maybe. Really, we have 4 frames to work with. So, look, he goes like that, and then that. So we'll call... Okay, we have 3 frames to work with. That, and then we can... Huh. So wait, he's like that, wait. His head is like that, then that. Okay, so we can flip this keyframe right here. Sorry about that. I'm thinking. I'm thunkering. Badonkering. You know what? Actually, we'll just, like, have this linger a little bit. We'll linger on this keyframe. Have these two, like, be in-betweens that collectively last longer than the, main frame. And we'll be good. So we'll flip the X. And then here we go. Keyframe. Second keyframe. Alright. Hey, take a shot! Someone said, what does the E in SSBE mean? Your guess is as good as mine. I know what it actually means, like, real talk. I know what it stands for, but it used to stand for something, and that something used to have significance, but it doesn't anymore. Therefore, your guess is as good as mine. So we'll have that linger for 2 frames. And then... yeah. I want to go ahead and denotate this as in-lag, so we'll go in-lag. Lovely. And insert the keyframe. we'll have that for like 4 frames. And there we go. Actually, no, let's remove those two. Now let's insert one more, and we'll delete a frame. So that doesn't really work. It's gonna have to be something like... We're gonna have to throw in one more spinny, I think. Maybe. I have no idea, actually. Yeah, we'll just... Let's actually look at the 9B data again. We'll see how it works. We'll see the frame data. We're gonna look at the frames. We're gonna yeet the yeetables, eat the eatables, and delete the deletables. Alright, so that's... Oh, Jesus, that lasts forever. So that's... Alright, we're just gonna make it 1.5 spins. Okay, so they just cut. Alright. So, we're not gonna need this. We can remove those two. Goes. Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and clear that keyframe. We'll have that last for... 6 frames should do it. Then the ending will be 2 frames long. There we go. Alright. Fuck it. So we'll control S. Now we can work on our hitboxes. Also, another neat feature I added, you can right-click on a blank keyframe. If you insert a keyframe where there isn't a keyframe on a hitbox layer, then it'll create the blank hitbox, which is helpful. That's quality of life. We need more of that in our lives. Alright, so... This is gonna be the body, so, like, let's label it as such. And while we're at it, we'll figure out where the, fucking... So that's where it ends up for most of the move. We'll go ahead and shift it downwards. almost the move though. This we gotta shift it. We gotta shift it for that keyframe specifically. Wait, why is it? That's strange. God. Guys. Windows and my graphics driver legit crashed. Like, I shit you not. Fuck. Alright, we're gonna run Fighter Builder through the debugger for now, so that we can pick up on any crashes as we come along them. Shit, man. That's frustrating. Right. See? There we go. States dash tech. That's obnoxious though, like, the fuck? We'll insert the keyframe there. We'll move it up. And then for that one, we'll move that there. There we go. This body. So I wonder if it's because Fighter Builder runs out of memory. Because I didn't implement a cap on the undo queue. I need to do that. Alright, leg L. We'll shrink that down. I feel like that's reasonable. Yeah, there we go. That's fairly reasonable. About something... Yeah, there we go. That's a proper hitbox. That. All right. We're gonna go roughly down there. Cool. No. Add layer. Leg R. Oh man, that's convenient. So we'll do that. We'll do that. We'll do that. And bam. Slam bam. Thank you, ma'am. This is a good eat session. Swish. Swish. Like. Huh. No, he should be, like, right there. There we go. And that, right there. And that, right there. Beautiful. Or should he be right there? Oh, wait, no, I see now. Okay, so that's how that works. It just has poor sprite placement by default. Lovely. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. Huh. Why? Why does it think it's the same? God, I hate everything. Fucking course. Why? Why even? I'm gonna fix the set thing for hitboxes. Is it like that for images? It's not even like that for images. Why is it different for hitboxes and images? Why is my code literal fucking spaghetti? My code is bad and I should feel bad. Right. Arm L. Here we go. Let's make that a little bit. There we go. Why? We'll clear that. And we'll insert the blank keyframe. There we go. Arm R. Shoot, I really like this take on not Rivoli. What's it called? That one bird person. One with the accordion. Fuck, now I have to look. Cass. I really like this, like, neoclassical take on Cass's theme. This is playing right now. Okay, so he only needs the next arm a while later. And he doesn't need it again. So we'll control S. And bam. So this will be the left hitbox. It's like decently disjointed. Here we go. Yeah, it's good. But at the same time, I like this better. Alright, cool. Okay. And we're gonna keep this hitbox constant throughout the move, because I'd rather die than not do so. I don't like it when the SF2 devs don't do so. I don't like it when Smash doesn't do so. I don't like it. So then we're gonna add a layer, insert a keyframe, clear that. We're gonna copy paste the stats of that over to this guy. Fucking. And of course, bam. Clear that, and blank keyframe. This is a ridiculous hitbox. I love it though. We'll add a layer, insert a keyframe, clear that, and fuck. You're not. Yeah, no, fuck you. You're gonna be something like this. Watch. People are gonna be able to low profile this move. It's gonna be horrid. And I'm all here for it. Alright. Whoops. Blank keyframe. There we go. That's what I call a hitbox. I know about you. We got hitboxes. We got hitboxes for days. Alright. So that's good. I'm gonna close out of that. We're gonna go over to Kirby.solution. Alright. Okay, over in normals, we can copy ftilt Kirby da.cs. Kirby da. There we go. Wait, did that negatively impact ftilt? God damn it. Kirby DA. Kirby DA. There we go. So we want it to hit 8 times, and we don't know how many active frames it has. Crab baskets. We'll go ahead, we'll open this up. Shit. Fighter builder, yada, yada, skibidi-bida. Right, Control 1 to open the most recent file. And states, let's go over to dash attack, and our active frames are from 8 until 22. So what's a decent speed for this move? I'm gonna guesstimate and say 3. So I'm gonna have it push Kirby forward with a maximum of like with a minimum of speed of 3. Let's see, that's active from 9 to 22. That's active for 13. Wait, really? 3, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. It's active for 14 frames. So dash attack is active for 4 frames, 14 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I can just like have it refresh once every 2 frames for a while, and then yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shit, no. That's not what I want. So what is refresh rate anyways? Let's open up the metadata for attack stats and we'll figure out what we can do here. What's refresh rate? It's a float, so we can theoretically do that. No, we can't, because I don't think that's how the refresh timer works. Hold on, let's go to fighter, entity. Nope, that's how refresh timer works. Whew. Wow, good thing for that. Alright, so 14 divided by 9. That's roughly, I don't know, what would you guys say that is? That's 1 remainder 5. And because of how 9s work, that's 1.55. Okay, you know what? We can just round that down to 1.5. Nice and simple. So here we go. Refresh rate equals 1.5f. Right, and that damage is gonna be So how much damage should dash attack do as a whole? 11 honestly is reasonable. So, yeah. 1 per hit plus 4 for the final hit. Nah, that's a little unbalanced. Let's go with... I mean, not unbalanced, but... Here, let's do some fucking math for this. So... 1.2 times 7 is gonna equal 8.4. And the final hit doing 3.5. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, we can work with that. 1.2. But what about 1.25? Let's see where that ends us. Wait, no, the final hit would deal 2.5 at 1.2. So that's good, actually. Wait, I was entirely misreading it from the beginning. Because... Wait, was I? Nope. Nope. Yeah, we want 1.2. So that's gonna be 2.5. There we go. Hi Tom. Oh dang, viewer spike. Hello Mystic, hi Tom. Mystic, I'm using C# to code. This isn't an SF2 mod though. With SF2, you're gonna want to join the SF2 modding Discord. And I don't have an invite link for that off the top of my head. I mean, of course I would hope I would pronounce your name right. It's pretty intuitive. But we got 2 people this stream. 2 people asked what the E stands for. GG. Let's fucking go. You'll love to see it. Your friends just don't, like, study other languages, then. Let's see. 45. Base KB should be, like, 20. KB growth should be, like, 10. There we go. Nah, 20 is stupid. 200. Yeah, that's the thing. That's still gonna be, like, minimal base. No. Should be, like, 300. There we go. This isn't an SF2 mod. This is an entire fan game. It's just that, there's not a lot of content yet. But, one of the main things is we have our own, fighter builder. So you can create characters in it. And then use them to, play in-game. So that's exciting. So let's see. This dot self dot timer. Here we go. Create timer. Currently this game is only released as an incomplete demo, version 0.1.1. Link is in the description, by the way, if you want to go check it out. And it's just Kirby in Final Destination with his aerials working. But I can go ahead and show you right now, because the fighter builder has a test button with Control Enter, or you can do File Test. But here we go. This is the dev build right now. Yeet. Here we go. Thank you. This Final Destination was sprited by Gabriel ZR0. Sorry, Gabriel Zero. I always forget. But yeah, so you got your dash dancing, you got, as you can see, dash canceling. Your initial dash is faster than your run, so you still got basic SF2 movement, including full drift nairs. So this build, the current dev build, has tilts, and I'm working on adding dash tech. And that's its current state at the moment. But yeah, currently I'm scripting dash tech. So I'm gonna go ahead, public void propel. Wait, shit, here we go. Oh, the derpy similar. Just so you know, Banjo was not created by me. It was created by this amazing guy, Ryan DPG. He's an amazing spriter, an amazing SF2 modder. And I'm hoping he'll join the dev team when I ask him. Yes, hi Tom, I am part of the Delta dev team. Here we go. This dot self dot set x. Nah, I can't set x speed. Velocity. Here we go. Self dot facing right. Math dot max this dot self dot. Here we go. This dot self dot velocity dot x equals facing right, the maximum between velocity x and three, and then if not, minus math dot max minus, hold on, math dot min this dot self dot velocity dot x minus 3. There we go. So that should be good. So this dot self dot timer. Yeah, create timer, propel. Each frame, the length is going to be throughout the thing. You know what? We can just do propel, and it'll just propel us throughout the thing until we destroy that timer. Alright. Oh, hi Tom. Sandbox didn't create those characters from scratch. Those are all Chicken Z's characters that they got permission to use, with the exception, actually, of Eric Cartman, I believe, who was made by someone else. I forget who, but yeah. Let's see, so that's once every 1.5 frames, so 1, 2, 3 is 2, 4, 6, 1.5. Here we go. So frame 19. There we go. Public void frame 19. Let's set this dot self dot attack stats. Attack stats. Attack is equal to that, and we'll go attack dot damage equals 2.5. Angle, attack dot angle equals 38. Attack dot base KB equals 1400. Attack dot KB growth equals... See, we need to compensate for the low damage with a high KB growth, because how the knockback formula works. We just gotta make sure that it's not too absurd. So let's go ahead and we'll also increase the KB growth of Fair, because I've been meaning to do that. So let's increase that to like 37. There we go. Alright. But yeah, at the moment, SSBE only has one playable character, and it's only half playable. Kirby will eventually have a slightly different moveset in this game, but not for version 0.1 and not for version 0.2. But Kirby changes are planned. Maybe not in the way you'd think. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve, if you will. Attack dot refresh rate. So wait, what's the usual like default refresh rate? I want to know. Basically what I'm trying to ask myself is, would a refresh rate of -1 make it stop doing stuff? So let's go ahead to our engine. We'll do that. By the way, the reason why I have to ask these is because I don't remember all the crap that I do. So properties, no. Resources, no. Is it an engine? Maybe hitbox data. Here we go. Refresh rate. Okay, yeah, no, there's no way to make it just not refresh. So we'll set that to 60 anyways. And this .self dot refresh timers dot clear. And that refreshes the attacks. Alright. So then the final frame is going to be frame 31. Public void frame 31. This .self dot end attack. We'll delete frame 23. Then we'll add our frame indices to the add frame script. 18, 30. And frame 19, frame 31. So let's see if this works. I'm not sure about the extent to which it will. Plans for online mode. That is an... Oh, right, we also have to add it over here. That's an excellent question, though. I've got plans for just about everything you can imagine. It's really more of a matter of when or whether I'll get there. And I plan to get there. But you know how Nintendo can be. Hopefully nothing will happen, but we'll have to see. I do, however, have plans for if something happens. This project will continue. Okay, so that's cool, to the debug output. So we can go ahead, pick the DLL by going to bin debug and kirby.dll. So that's going to set our DLL, and we can launch the game from here. Alright, GG. I feel like we should make the ending lag a little good bit longer. So we'll go ahead and increase the end lag by like a good amount. So now that's frame 36, so we can save that. Go ahead to Kirby dash attack, change the index to 35, rename that to frame 36. And by trying to launch that, it'll build it. If we get that error, then it's okay. We can alternatively hit Control B to build it without getting any error. I just prefer the error method. Here we go. That has oomph to it. While we're at it, though, we'll go ahead and remove, like, a few frames. Ah, right. Remove that. Remove that. And we'll remove that. And let's try this now. Right, so for the end lag, we should remove the propel script. You know what? Let's also change that. Let's increase that to 4. I feel like that would be a little bit more satisfying. So let's also... And when does end lag start? Frame 23. So that's public void frame 23. This dot self dot destroy timer. And I believe it's called, yep, propel. Propel. And that's gonna remove our propel timer. Alright, hi Tom, I'll try to remember you, but you gotta be active for me to remember you. So you stay active, you keep supporting, and I'll remember you when I get big. But again, SSBE isn't a mod. It's not a mod pack. Delta is a mod pack, but for meta reasons, I doubt it's ever going to become the project im of SF2, or even replace SF2 once the devs give up on it. Like, I just don't see that happening, you know? Right, I forgot to add a reference to frame 23, so let's go 22 and frame 23. There we go. What do you mean you doubt the devs will abandon it? SF2 is gonna die. It's not gonna last forever. Yeah, the devs did lift the mod ban. Sure. You'll have to pardon me, but I helped create the modding tools that exist today. And the reason why they had to be created was because the devs wanted to make modding harder. So pardon my skepticism about their little PR thing. But them allowing mods again is entirely a PR move and nothing more. It was never anything but that. So we'll make another timer. You know what? Actually, we'll make a property. Public float propel speed equals 4. Propel speed minus propel speed. Ayo, King DDD would be sick. Curbstar recently joined the SF2 dev team, so honestly, DDD happening is like a decent possibility. Oh, Curbstar is a spriter who makes Kirby-related content. He actually made a mod, like Kirby's Adventure mod, ROM hack. There we go, that's the word. And it retextured a lot of things. It also added like some new functionality. It's really cool. I recommend you go check it out. So let's actually change it so that, like, here we go. This, here we go. Public void decel. So that's, let's see, 13 frames. So if we subtract 0.4, yeah. Propel speed equals math.max 0 propel speed minus 0.4f. We'll go ahead and create a new timer for this that goes this.self.create timer decel. We'll build that. Then we'll set the DLL again. Alright, that feels a lot better. So we're gonna up the KB growth on this, and also the base KB on the final hit. So let's up that to 1800, and we'll up the KB growth to like 48. Good number. Yeah, people have wanted a resprite for DK for a long, long time. So, you know, maybe that'll happen. Honestly, I think that has, like, a really solid chance of happening. Shit. Here we go. So, let's try... Nice. Get saved! Nerd! Ah, damn it. You think they're working on 2 trailers? That could be. So I think it should decelerate a little bit more quickly. And a little bit earlier, actually. You know what? Let's make it start decelerating on frame 19. And we'll delete frame 23 entirely. Fun fact about Waluigi, they only added Waluigi, because leakers leaked Simon and the, other content that they had planned, for that, not even leakers, fucking data miners leaked, the stuff that they had planned, for SmashCon, because they left it in the files, like idiots. So they ended up just revealing a purple W as their trailer for SmashCon. Made it in like a few hours, revealed it. Bam! Waluigi's in the game. Which is, like, honestly really funny if you ask me. Here, let's go minus equals 0.4f. If propel speed actually and let's change the decel to 3.5. Oh right, and I meant to increase the growth. So we'll compile that. We'll pick the DLL again. Okay, so let's go ahead and get Kirby to like a high percent. So that deals nice knockback. Here we go. Alright, that's reasonable for dash attack. Get yeeted. No, the latest version has not been data mined. It's just bits about their development have been leaked by a malicious actor who joined the dev team specifically to leak stuff. TLDR, Arsalan is a bad person. Alright. So, Dash attacks in. But at the same time, I kinda want it... I want it to, be more. I want it to hurt when you get hit by it. I want it to tilt opponents. Currently, it's just like... It's a nice, easy, like... It's a quick move at the moment. I want it to, like, hurt to get hit by. So I'm gonna increase the hit lag a bit. Let's set the, hit stop to... How many frames of hit stop should we have? Let's go 4, and self-hit stop 4. I know, right? Like, who would join the dev... Imagine getting on the SF2 dev team, essentially the highest honor you can achieve in the community, and then using that to leak future content. Specifically to leak future content. That's, like, honestly fucking terrible. Like, I can't respect that at all whatsoever. So we're going to try and change that a little bit more. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, that's not slow enough. I want it to be excruciating to get hit by. Like, I want it to feel like 9B when you get hit by it. So let's go ahead, up that a little bit more. It's gonna be nice and terrible. Because I tilted Twin a lot, in Delta. Like older versions of Delta with dashing. Here we go. Okay, that's gonna hurt to get hit by. Nice and quick, then you get hit, and it's like, God, it's so slow. Alright. Let's make that hurt even more with 7. Wait a minute. Hold on. I believe that's only... Let me count the number of hits, because I don't think that's hitting as often as it should. This doesn't make sense, so let's... So that's 7.3. He deals 1.2 damage, and the final hit is 2.5. So subtract 2.5 from 7.3, you get 5.8. Is that 5.8? No, 4.8. So that's 4 hits. Wait. That doesn't make sense. Let's go 2.5, I guess? No, relax. Let's be rational about this. Currently it's 5.5. And at 5.5, we're gonna... Why is it like this? Why the fuck is it like this? Kirby will have normal hammer. I'd rather die than give him chargeable fire hammer. Fuck chargeable fire hammer. That shit's bad. It's a bad move. Let's see, 5... I mean, he's missing out. God, I don't even fucking know. Let's set that to 3.5, see what happens. But why is it like this, even? Let's go ahead, pick our DLL. Yep, see, that's too high. So we'll go up to 4. Alright, we've built it. We can pick it again. Nope, that's not right. 4.5F. Control B. Then we'll pick the DLL and check. No, that's still fucky. What about just 5F? I don't get why this is happening. That's what I don't understand. Why in the fucking hell is this happening? I'm so confused. So why did 5.5 work, but not 6? I mean, but not 5. And why did 5.5 do what it did in the way that it did? Was I imagining it? Was I... Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, cool. That's really strange, and I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate that this game is doing this. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Same shit. Does it round it up? So if we go... I think it rounds the refresh rate up. That's... I don't appreciate that. God damn it. Trying to fine-tune this, and it's like not cooperating. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, and then if I set that to 6.5, it's gonna be 6 again. I'm gonna have to go engine side and like fix this. This isn't right. This is all fucky. See? 6. It's 6 hits. Why? Okay. Let's travel straight to the engine and address the core of the issue. You know what? I got an idea. So on hit, we'll refresh timers. Okay, so that's going to be part of hitbox interaction. So E1.hit by attack and E2.attack connect. Here we are. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and set the refresh rate so we have the entity right here. That's the refresh rate. And tick timers is gonna tick down. If that's less than 0, then it's gonna refresh it. Okay, so that's guaranteed to round up. Fuck. Okay, so we can only fundamentally have Okay. Okay. So look. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 7 hits. Unless we set the last hit to a 1. But we want the last hit active for 4 frames. Or at least a decent amount of frames. Why is it like this? God, I hate everything. I have an idea. Okay. Refresh.value minus minus. Is that read only? That's read only. Okay. Values refresh dot key minus minus. And instead we'll change how containing something works. Is equal to math.max refresh dot. Wait, no, you just do refresh dot key You know what? Actually, let's do if refresh dot key equals 0, then we'll do minus minus whoops, value. There we go. You'll have to pardon my spaghetti code. I am very much spaghetti coding right now. So let's go to hitbox interaction. And in refresh list is going to be that, and attacker dot refresh timers victim equals 0. So if in refresh list we return, and if not, we don't. That should apply the fix, but at the same time we're gonna have to then go over to entity, where we actually like hit an opponent. Here we go, attack connect. If refresh timers dot contains key interaction dot e1 refresh timers e1 interaction dot e1 is equal to plus equals interaction dot attack dot refresh rate. Except really it's gonna be hit stop plus refresh rate. Net refresh rate equals self hit stop plus refresh rate. So that's gonna be plus equals interaction dot. Actually, that's only for things that experience. Nah, fuck it. Attack dot hit stop plus interaction dot attack dot refresh rate. There we go. Nice, simple, easy. Then else, it's gonna be refresh timers interaction dot e1. Wait a minute. No, because look, we check it with that. Alright, here we go. Self hit stop, and what's the interaction say about refresh rate? Public float refresh rate, and we're going to set that to refresh rate equals attack dot refresh rate. You know what? Actually, plus attack dot self hit stop. I think that should work. So, wait, no, that should be, yeah, that's good, that's good. We got refresh rate. If it's in the thing. And then we'll just set it to refresh rate. Otherwise. Okay. Alright guys, wish me luck. I have no idea the extent to which this is gonna work, but I'm hoping it does. So let's zoop you up to the stars real quick. Okay. And then we'll open Kirby again. Hello, Microsoft? You wanna cooperate? Okay, so we got hit stop 6, we're gonna set refresh rate back to 1.5, and we're gonna see if this works. And if this does what we want it to, the way in which we want it to. This has been a long stream. And while we're at it, we should also probably update dash attack, because yeah, I mean not dash attack, dare. Should update dare. So look, the refresh rate at the moment is 8, and the hit stop is 8. Huh. We'll set the refresh rate to 1, because it does refresh each frame, I believe. I believe that's how this works. So we're gonna change the DLL, Control E to enter. Okay, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's a different result than last time. So, what if we set that to 0.5F? Yep, that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. And Dare, I believe, is supposed to do 8 hits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so let's increase Dares by a decent amount. Hello? You want to close? Pretty please? It's not closing. Yeah. So let's set that to 2 and see what happens. And we're gonna go to stats, pick the DLL, Kirby.dll, Control Enter to test. Oh, wait. That's the problem. Okay. So the refresh rate, I do believe, is supposed to be 7. Or 6, yeah. That way it allows movement in between frames. And that is dare, right? Yeah, that's dare. So we're gonna do that. Gonna rack up damage and knock you into the sky with up air. Yep. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 5 hits. We don't want 5 hits. We want more than 5 hits. Let's set that to 5 again. Because 6 allowed a little bit of movement during it. Here we go. We'll pick the DLL, Kirby.dll, Control Enter. Gonna yeet you back up to the stars. Yeah, nah. You want 6 as your magic number there. Or at least something above 5. Let's go with 6.5 and see how you like that. Right, that's a double. Because decimals are doubles by default. Let's set that to a float. And we'll run it. And since it can't actually run, that means that we're building it. We run this. And bam. Yeet. Yeet. Please go up. Hold on. So that was still 5 hits. Damn it. Wait a minute. No. 5.5. Wait, no. But at 6, it didn't work, right? Okay. Build. Sorry about, like, everything taking so long, by the way. But, yeah, I'm, fine-tuning game feel to the max to make stuff work perfectly. Look, that was, again, 5 hits at a value of 6. Let's lower that hit stop a little bit. Change that to 4. Or better yet, 3.5. We'll change that to 3.5 to see if that's even possible at that point. wait, no, I forgot to build this. Oh. Never mind, it's up to date. I guess I forgot to pick the DLL then. Right. We're back in. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, was that? Yep, that's the right amount of hits. That's, 9 hits. Nice. They chucked the game theory motif into the song. That's cute. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's the right amount of hits. I believe, at least. Yeah, that's gonna feel awful to get hit by. Perfect. But let's alter it to make it a little less awful to get hit by. Let's change that to 5. Then we'll pick the DLL. Pick that. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah, that fucking feels terrible to get hit by. I have done my job, everyone. Somebody who knows a guy called Twin, who is associated with Delta, ping him on Discord, or just DM a clip of this dash attack to him. He's going to hate me forever, because I used this against him a bunch of times in, like, one match, and he hated it. Oh, fuck yeah. This is terrible to get hit by. That's great. Get absolutely yeeted. Woo! Alright. So, we fine-tuned forward air's knockback growth. And let me just verify forward air's knockback growth real quick. With, what's it called? Wait, no, that's snare. That's snare! Alright, I'm gonna build up percent. Note to self, add a hotkey for debug mode for setting the percent to 100. Staring over and over is tiring. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but at the same time, it's not good enough. Let's increase it a wee bit more. Set that to 39. And then we'll test that. So we got Kirby.dll. This is diabolical. No. Bad. Fuck. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And while we're doing game feel things, we're gonna lower the base knockback of Nair. I'm gonna set that to around like 22. There we go. Then we're gonna update the DLL, Control Enter. There we go. Fuck. I want to see what happens if he falls out of the hitbox. Like, what's that knockback look like? Okay, it's like nothing. Cool. He's got enough to carry himself through. Alright. GG. With that bit of fine-tuning done, I believe we can call it. And here you can see all the hitboxes in real time. You can see that Kirby has an initial disjoint on Nair, and then an inverse disjoint. I feel like that's good design. You can see up air, back air, forward air, rapid jab, F tilt, down tilt, up tilt, and dash attack. Alright. G fucking G, everyone. We did it. Cool. With that, I'ma call it a stream. I feel like we've accomplished a lot. We did dash attack. We fixed a bug with refresh rate not working the way that I wanted it to. And we applied a bunch of game feel fixes to Kirby to make him feel a little more with what I have in mind for him. Dash attack is an absolute fucking abomination. You use it in neutral, and it's quick. You get hit by it, and all of a sudden, you're watching a cutscene. And that's exactly what we want. We want to tilt the opponent. Because that's a valid strategy. But with that, I'm gonna call it a stream here. you all have yourselves a damn good one.